Okay, so you just roasted a beautiful turkey. Now, how the heck do you carve into it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to carve a turkey from start to finish so that you can be the hero for Thanksgiving. First thing I like to do is feel in here with your knife, almost press your fingers into it, and we got to take out this wishbone. It's right in here. Taking the wishbone out will make sure that you get all the turkey that you paid for off of this bird. So once you've gotten that far, come in with your fingers and perform a little surgery. Voila, wishbone. Have your kids make a wish on that. Then we're gonna take the leg and thigh. So come down to this leg joint here, the hip joint, get it cut free enough that you can pop that baby out and break its leg. When you see that ball joint here, cut right around there, like so. And if you want it to be very evident to you, flip that bird like you're gonna flip it over, and then cut around it like that, right in there. Leg and thigh. Same thing over here. Find that ball joint. Leg and thigh. Do your leg and thigh. Cut right in here and find the leg joint right above the kneecap. Here's your leg. Somebody at the table always wants the leg piece. For the thigh meat, we got a bone that goes from here to here. You just rub your knife right along that bone, right along the other side, gently. This is for the stock pot. Here's your boneless thigh. I'm gonna flip that over with the skin on and everything. If it's me, Chef Adam, sitting down at Thanksgiving, I'm taking this whole piece right here. This is the best piece. You can cut that straight across the grain, like so. Present it on your platter, like so. Boneless leg. Do the same thing over here. Push this apart. Let the bone be exposed. Make a clean cut right through. Turn the thigh over, bone to bone. Rub your knife right along in here. Then remove the thigh bone. Flip him over, skin on. Right here's the breastbone. Because we took out this wishbone here, our knife's gonna be free to go all the way from the neck to the bottom. Just on either side of the breastbone, doesn't matter which side you start on. I'm starting with the far side. Bring your knife and make long strokes. I don't like the electrical carving knives, the serrated knives and all that stuff. Make long, sharp strokes with your knife. And then gradually you're gonna curve down with the breastbone, the backbone or the breastbone on the carcass. And it's just gonna pull away off the bone. A sharp chef's knife is my favorite tool for this. And if you can see in there, flip him over, follow the wing bone, pull it and cut so you can see where it wants to divide. Boneless breast and wing. Then we're gonna repeat the same thing on this side. Oh, Jesus Christmas. I've cut the dickens out of my finger. boneless breast and wing. And for your breast, I start at the good end, straight across, sharp knife, controlled strokes, controlled movements, thick or thin as you like. Keep the skin on. Then to the platter we go. And then the wings, you can section these off or leave them like so. I like to hide the thigh meat because this is what I'm eating. So that is a properly whacked Thanksgiving turkey. And here's a little something I learned in culinary school, and I've been a believer since. You turn the bird over, these muscles right here, this is called the oyster of the bird. You can just put your fingers right in here and scoop that out. That is the very best cut of turkey that you're gonna find on, and this is how I test how good my brine was. While everybody else is at your table drinking wine, you're over here scarfing down the good stuff. And they can eat all this other stuff, but the oyster of the bird right here, this back muscle, is the very best piece in my opinion. And all the fat runs down there. Here's the left side of the oyster. You can knife this out, but your fingers can also pull it out in one piece. That's the oyster, and that is delicious. Give that to somebody you love if you don't eat that, because that's the best piece of turkey right there. We're gonna make a wish and crack this wishbone. Ready? Come on, Karate Kids, pull!
Yes!
Did you wish for a beautiful roasted turkey?
No.
Oh.